guys, welcome to my podcast, Upbeat the Conversation with Anupriya. Today, in this wonderful episode, I have a very special guest, Megha Bhatia. She is running her own podcast titled Self Love in 60 Seconds, and she is the founder of ROA. She is the wonderful and talented woman who speaks about on the lines of self love, and she is a very outspoken person on the many societal issues facing in today's world. She holds a LLM degree from University College London. Today in this episode we spoke about a lot of self-love, why it is important, why it is the need of the hour. One should love ourselves and self-love is a journey. It's not a product. To listen a depth about the episode, watch it till the end. Hi Megha, how are you?
Hi, I'm very good. How are you?
I'm doing super amazing. Thank you so much once again for taking our time and being here in the show.
It's my pleasure.
Okay. So I was very curious, why did you started up the podcasting thing and what just because I saw your advertisement and then only I got to know about you and I was very excited that there is somebody who is organizing podcasting workshops also because I've never came across to that ever. Yeah, so I have never seen that in before. So what just pushed you up to start your own podcast and giving the workshops as well?
Okay, so what motivated me? It was very random. मेरे को बस किसी मेरे RJ friend ने बोला था कि you have a good voice, so you should start podcasting. And trust me, I had no idea कि podcast होता क्या है, कैसे बनाते हैं. And I learned it on my own. But when I started doing it, I was feeling good about it. कि, okay, I'm sharing my voice or sharing my opinion with the people out there. But I got a push when I started receiving messages from my listeners. So currently, also almost every day, today only I got a message from my listener कि your podcast is helping me to grow in life, or I'm suffering from COVID and it's helping me. That was the time I realized, oh God, I was just doing it as a random thing, but it is changing lives. So that was something which motivated me to continue. But why I started podcasting workshop, it is because I realized if my voice is making an impact, there are so many people who want to share things but with the confident नहीं होते, like हम सब
Yes.
कैमरा के सामने आके नहीं बोल सकते, right? But podcasting एक medium हो सकता है, like to be frank with you, even I'm helping my mother to start her own podcast. So it's
Wow,
like a
that's
space where every
amazing.
person can. Yeah, exactly. Even yeah, my mother, my sister, so soon they're gonna launch their podcast too. So it's like I like helping people to amplify their voice. So that's why I'm doing and
When did
helping
you
other podcasts.
exactly started this out? And it's how long?
It's been 1 year now.
Wow,
Exactly one, almost 1 year.
I think we both are on the same page. Even I started this up 1 year before, like in July 20th. So,
I started it in May.
wow, 1 year anniversary.
1 year anniversary. I'll check कि मैंने first कब upload किया था podcast, मैं भूल चुकी हूँ, but I'll go and check it.
Do celebrate it because small moments and small little things just means a lot to us, and that too which you're helping a lot of people in coping up with their life and you're adding value to people's life. I think it's the best source.
Exactly, it's the best source, absolutely.
Okay, so my question to you, first question is, what do you understand by the term self-love?
Okay, so it took me around 22 years to understand self-love, but abhi bhi I am learning every day ki what is self-love. For me, it is personally accepting myself the way I am with all my imperfections. Some sub imperfect hote hain, hum perfect nahi hote hain. And valuing myself. Now I know ki what I have to do in my life and my opinions matter, my choices matter. So self-love is accepting oneself for me and then following your passion, following your zeal and doing what you love rather than what people are telling you.
Okay, that's nice. Why do you think really it's important? Because ऐसा होता है ना कितनी बार कि यार हमें बचपन से सिखाया जाता है ये चीज़ कि not being feminist here, but ऐसा सिखाया जाता है कि you
Hmm.
have to keep things कि दूसरे लोगों के खुशी के बारे में सोचो, कीप योर खुशी बाद
Hmm.
में, अपनी बाद में बारे में सोचना,
Hmm.
पहले दूसरों के बारे में सोचो, बिकॉज वो आपको खुशी देती है कि अगर आप दूसरों के लिए कुछ अच्छा करते हो तो आपको ना वो ऑटोमेटिकली खुशी देती है। एंड आई थिंक
Hmm.
वो हमें शायद अगर नहीं भी देती होगी तो भी हम उसको एक्सेप्ट करते थे कि अच्छा हमें तो ये खुशी देती है, हमें तो ये खुशी देती है, क्योंकि हम दूसरों को खुश
हाँ,
कर रहे हैं, बट हम खुद को ही खुश नहीं
exactly.
कर रहे हैं। और ये चीज़ कभी भी आई वुड नॉट ब्लेम टू एवरीवन, बट ये
Hmm.
चीज़ आई थिंक एक रोल प्ले करती है कि हम सेल्फ लव को इम्पोर्टेंस ही नहीं देते हैं इस चीज़ को।
नहीं देते, एग्जैक्टली। आई थिंक आपने बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट बोला कि हम लोगों को खुश करने में लग जाते हैं बट हम अपने आप को ही नहीं खुश कर पाते। एंड में तो हमें अपने साथ रहना है ना। और आई थिंक सेल्फ लव वो एक स्पेस प्रोवाइड करते हैं कि आप खुद खुश होगे तभी आप किसी को खुशी दे सकते हो। आप खुद सेटिस्फाइड होगे तभी आप किसी की लाइफ में हैप्पीनेस ला सकते हो। सो आई थिंक फर्स्ट स्टेप इज कि अपने आप से प्यार करो ताकि आप लोगों से प्यार कर सको। एंड इट्स टफ, इट्स नॉट इजी टू लव योर सेल्फ। इट्स नॉट कि बस एक मसाज करवा ली और या आपने हेड मसाज करवा ली, दैट इज नॉट सेल्फ लव। सेल्फ लव उससे वे बियॉन्ड है। ये भी हमें समझने की जरूरत है।
I have one point here, जैसे कि आजकल के जनरेशन में like you and me are of the same generation and we know things,
हम्म।
but there are a lot of people who are dependent on somebody else, or they are materialistic. For example, they
हम्म।
are not accepting if their nails are not growing, but they're going for the nail extensions. I'm not taking this thing ki we should not go for it. It's a fashion. We
हम्म।
have to do it if you like it. But
यस।
we are just keeping our natural things beside, and we are accepting the artificial things.
हम्म।
So
इट
what?
कैन बी मे बी दे आर ट्राइंग टू फिट इन, they're trying to act cool because उस cool group को वो लगता है कि if you're having hair extension that is cool. So they're
Yeah.
looking for acceptance from the outside world कि मेरे friends को friends accept कर ले मुझे, या फिर मैं nail extension करवाऊँ या hair extension करवाऊँ, और maybe if I buy that kind of cloth of particular brand then my friends are going to feel that hey she's so cool. So हम बाहर के world में acceptance ढूंढ रहे हैं, बट उससे इट इज गोना सेटिस्फाई यू एक दिन के लिए, 2 दिन के लिए, 3 days के लिए, बट इट्स नॉट गोना बी देयर विद यू लाइक थ्रू आउट योर लाइफ। अगेन दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि don't try to fit in the group, fit out and stand out, find what makes you happy rather than, even if it is hair extension, if you feel good about it then go for it. If you feel good about a tattoo, go for it, but it should come from within you, like not from outside world.
Do you ever felt this thing of doing it, or have you ever done it before starting up the podcast? Because self-love journey is big, I know. But ऐसा
Hmm.
होता है because of the peer pressure or because of the acceptance in that peer group, and
Hmm.
going to be look so perfect and adorable every time, which always fantasize us to do such things. So have you ever been into that situation where you did it?
Yes. Okay, so to be frank, I was a very completely different person जब मैं college में थी, and I remember I used to drink. ठीक है, सब लोग college में drink तो taste like करते हैं, tequila shots हो गए, beer हो गई, सब कुछ taste करते हैं. And I used to also taste it because I used to think it's a cool thing, यार मेरे friends पी रहे हैं तो मैं क्यों ना. Okay, and then later on I started realizing, do I really want to drink? Do I feel like drinking, or am I only doing it क्योंकि मेरे group में it's like a cool thing? And जब मैं लंदन गई, so लंदन में it's a culture, everybody drinks, but I was the only person who said कि hey I'm not going to drink, I don't feel it's good. And everybody was like कि क्यों, why are you not drinking? मैंने कहा I'm high on life, I don't need to drink. So I have seen a shift, me being a girl trying to fit in drinking with other people. Now I'm taking a stand कि hey I don't feel like drinking. So हर जने के लाइफ में ऐसे phases होते हैं. I'm just giving an example where you're not able to speak up for yourself, but in my journey I've grown up and realized कि नहीं, you have to take a stand for yourself.
But I
But
think
मैंने उस
it's
phase को भी
yeah.
देखा है.
But I think it's good to realize rather than just pushing yourself to accept things in the way they are, and running away from your own acceptance.
Yes.
Okay, so my next question to you is how one can find self love, for how long you are working for your own self love.
Okay, so it's not like a product कि आपने ड्रॉर खोला या फिर आपने शॉप में शॉपिंग करी एंड यू ओ आई गॉट इट मेरे घर पे डिलीवर हो गया सेल्फ लव नहीं. इट्स लाइक अ जर्नी. हर दिन आपको अपने आप से प्यार करना पड़ेगा. देयर विल बी डेज जब आप अच्छा फील नहीं कर रहे होगे अपने बारे में कि हे मेरे बाल बहुत अजीब से लग रहे हैं या फिर मेरा प्रोजेक्ट नहीं हुआ जिसपे मैं वर्क करना चाहता था. देन ऑल्सो यू हैव टू गिव अ हग टू योर सेल्फ, टाइट हग टू योर सेल्फ एंड टेल इट्स ओके, आई कैन ओवरकम दैट. So it's not कि एक प्रोडक्ट आपके घर पे आ जाएगा. It's everyday little efforts to ensure that you're loving yourself.
My next question to you is: after heartbreaks, people find it difficult to love themselves because they were dependent on their partner to love, care, attention, and self-love. What will you comment on this?
Okay. So my comment will be it's important to love your partner, but have that space also for yourself. आई नो मैंने इनफैक्ट पर्सनली भी बहुत सारे लोगों से मिली हूँ कि जब ब्रेकअप हो जाता है वी आर इन दैट जोन की वो बंदा चला गया मेरी लाइफ का. देयर आर पीपल आल्सो से इट्स मेरी लाइफ का क्या होगा. सो टू ऑल द पीपल आउट देयर, आपकी लाइफ खत्म नहीं हो जाती. यू आर योर ओन लाइफ. चिल, रिलैक्स, use that time to figure out yourself. What are your likes, what are your dislikes, what do you want to do in your life. Have a higher purpose other than just a relationship. Like ठीक है breakup हो गया, it's okay.
But okay, so I'm not gonna disclose this thing, but yeah, there is a friend of mine who just keeps on asking me this thing. Even I have spoke to you about this thing also earlier. Just keep on asking me, yeah, I don't feel like dress up. मतलब मैं कैसे भी उठ के जा सकता हूँ कहीं पे. I don't feel like cutting my hair. I don't feel like doing anything for me. But if you will be requiring me, I will be there for you in a very presentable manner. So I just questioned him this thing, why not you? And why it's only me or some of your friend? Like why you're not taking up to for your own self? And he was just like, "Yaar, I don't know, and how to discover it? मेरा मन ही नहीं करता है अपने आप को तैयार होने का या फिर अपने आप को ठीक से प्रेजेंट करने का. But मैं हमेशा से कहती हूँ कि just meditate or try to fix it by doing your pros and cons. Ki, what do you like about yourself? And he was like, yeah, I don't like anything about myself. So like, and I always used to figure it out कि यार इसको कैसे समझाऊं मैं, because it's a whole thing which he is missing out. So
Exactly.
what do you like to say on this thing?
I think asking the right questions help करेगा. हमें आंसर्स नहीं ढूंढने चाहिए, हमें सही क्वेश्चंस पूछने चाहिए. Maybe you can ask him कि okay, the current situation where you are at, is it serving you? Is it actually helping you to grow in your life? If it is helping you, that's great. आप लाइफ में ग्रो हो रहे हो, आपको सही लग रहा है, तो it's great. If it's not serving you, then what is the best thing that you can do to change your situation, or how you can let go of this thing. कई बार हम ना बहुत स्टक करके बैठ जाते हैं कि हम अपने कंफर्ट जोन में और हमारे लिए यही सारी चीजें सही है, या फिर हम रिलेशनशिप में भी स्टक हो जाते हैं कि इवन दो टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप है बट हम उस जने से ही बात करें क्योंकि हमें लग रहा है कि हम लोनली ना फील करें ब्रेकअप के बाद. So it's very important to understand कि let go of the things that is not serving you anymore. ये easy task नहीं होता. It takes a lot of courage to let go, but that's the solution. It's and be aware. Just be aware. Are there any things in your life जिसे आपको let go करना है? And हमें अंदर से पता होता है. Like even if I ask you, do you feel is there anything in your life that you should let go of and is not serving you? Anything that comes to your mind. What do you think? Yeah. So even our listeners अभी जो सुन रहे हैं हमें उन्हें सबको पता होता है अंदर से.
Yeah. So by any chance you're into gratitude or manifestation or journaling? Because I
Yes,
can sense the vibe. I can sense the vibe.
Yeah, I
Okay.
have my vision board. And I do gratitude journal. And in fact, in my vision board, so जब मैंने podcasting start करी थी, I used to do this practice 1K, 2K listen, 3K listens, and it was manifesting. सारी चीजें अपने आप manifest हो रही थी after like taking actions. So I strongly believe
कि इतने टाइम में मेरे को इतने टाइम में इतने लोगों तक पहुंचना है, इतने टाइम में मुझे इतनी रीच चाहिए, इतने like मुझे इतने listens चाहिए. So does that help you,
Yeah.
or क्या कि you know whatever happens, it happens for you and it will gradually happen? So what was
So
your
you should have at least one goal. आपके माइंड में गोल होना चाहिए कि मुझे ये अचीव करना है. Like I want 1 million listens. ठीक है, मेरा ये गोल है. अब मेरे को ये नहीं पता वो कैसे होगा. I don't know the how. But I know couple of things कि ठीक है, मैं अगर हर दिन पॉडकास्ट बनाने लग जाऊंगी तो हो जाएगा. I need to reach out to more people. You should have one goal at least कि आपको क्या अचीव करना है. Then universe आपकी हेल्प करेगा to like achieve that goal.
Okay. So what kind of self-love tricks you will suggest for a beginner, like my friend?
Okay, spend time with your own self. सबसे पहले like few hours, few minutes for yourself every single day. It's not कि आप गेम खेल रहे हो, just in like solitude, बैठना बस अपने साथ 10 minutes के लिए and just ponder over your thoughts. Second is meditation is the key. Meditate, like start 5 minutes वाली meditation. Third is exercise and just flip your actions. हर दिन थोड़े थोड़े actions भी करोगे ना, related to journaling, related to feeling gratitude for things, you will see a shift in your like entire thinking process and your actions.
Um, so this question is in my head from quite a long time कि ऐसा कहा जाता है कि loving yourself is important than loving somebody else. It's a contradictory statement because जो हमें बचपन में सिखाया जाता है वो एक अलग चीज़ है. But when you are growing as a teenager, then you get to know this thing कि uh, it's important to love yourself also, to love somebody else, because if you are fulfilled, then only you can fulfill the other person's need. So what is your opinion into it?
I agree with this statement. बहुत सिंपल एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपका ग्लास फुल है, पानी आपके ग्लास में है, तभी आप किसी के साथ पानी शेयर कर पाओगे ना. अगर आपका ग्लास ही खाली है, सो इट वोंट सर्व पीपल. सो अगर आप अपने आप से प्यार करते हो तभी आप किसी और से प्यार करने वाली स्पेस में होगे, राइट? अदरवाइज आप रिलेशनशिप में आ जाओगे, आप इनसिक्योर फील करोगे, आप अलग चीजें उन्हें बोलोगे एंड यू विल बी ऑलवेज क्रिपिंग अबाउट थिंग्स कि तुमने मुझसे प्यार नहीं करा, तुमने मुझे रोज नहीं लाके दिया, तुम मेरे साथ डेट पे नहीं गए. व्हाई नॉट डू इट फॉर योरसेल्फ फर्स्ट एंड देन कम फ्रॉम अ स्पेस ऑफ गिविंग अदर्स. लाइक दैट इज व्हाट आई बिलीव इन.
And what about dealing with your own insecurities?
Okay, so insecurities. Like for example, can you name one? Like, are you aware about your insecurities?
Yeah, I'm completely aware about my insecurities. So I think that I know a lot of things, but I still feel silly and stupid due to some of the reasons that I don't know about them. And whenever somebody asks to me, I feel, oh my god, that person is going to judge me for that reason, and I just try to escape rather than dealing with it. So that is my biggest insecurity of finding myself
Okay.
stupid and silly.
Okay, so okay, being stupid and silly. I think मेरी insecurity अगर मैं कुछ सोचूं तो okay, so I used to have these insecurities like when I was young, when I was a like student school में कि I'm not confident enough, मैं स्टेज पे जाके बोलूंगी कैसे. But ये हम सब में अलग अलग insecurities होती है. The only way you can overcome it is through awareness कि ठीक है मेरे अंदर इनसिक्योरिटीज एंड थ्रू एक्शंस. लाइक डर लगता है हम सबको अलग चीजें अपनी इनसिक्योरिटीज से बाहर आने के लिए, बट द ओनली थिंग दैट यू कैन डू इज इमीडिएट एक्शंस लेना कि व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट यू कैन डू टू गेट आउट ऑफ दैट स्पेस ऑफ इनसिक्योरिटीज. सो आई एम अ पर्सन जो एक्शंस पे बिलीव करता है कि if I'm feeling insecure about certain things, I'll take actions to overcome that. But since that's the first step because you're aware about it, कई लोग अवेयर ही नहीं होते हैं कि उनके अंदर इनसिक्योरिटीज है. बट बी अवेयर एंड देन टेक एक्शन.
Okay. Okay, so now we are moving to the rapid fire round where I'll ask you fun questions and you have to just answer me in one word or in one sentence.
Okay.
Tell me one word that comes into your mind after listening to this word self-love, relationship, motivation, success.
Okay, self-love. अच्छा,
I
सब
knew
कुछ सुन
it.
के एक बार.
हाँ, I knew it.
Okay. I think, okay. I think it's blissful. That is the word, because हर चीज से the kind of experience that you get, self-love, relationship with your parents, with your partner, it's like a blissful feeling. It's like a,
Complete.
yeah, it's like a blissful.
Okay. Either self-love is because of success, or success is because of self-love.
Success is because of self-love. You cannot progress in life अगर आप अपने आप से प्यार ही नहीं करते हो तो. 101%.
I like it. Do you think love relationship is an important part of your life?
I think, yeah, for every person, love and relationship is an important part.
No, but I think there are a lot of people who just keep it secondary, and they keep their careers
Okay.
primary. So, so
I
that's
think for
that.
me, it's like, oh, that's okay. It's a choice between career and love and relationship.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think it goes hand in hand for me. कि career बहुत ज़्यादा important है, because I'm working for a cause which I'm really passionate about. But love and relation, it's like a balance for me.
Like a balance.
मैं
Yeah,
choose नहीं
obviously
कर सकती.
you can't. Nobody can choose. Actually, we both need it, and both of them had a good needs and good demands for it.
Yes.
What is your guilty pleasure?
Okay, shit. Let me think about it. Okay, let me think about it. I love chai. I'm not sure if it's a guilty pleasure, but मैं चाय के लिए कभी भी मना नहीं कर सकती. I'm a super super big chai lover.
Okay. What are the three things you expect in an ideal man?
3 things I expect in a
Ideal man.
ideal match. Oh, okay. I think the person should understand. Ideal man. You told that,
Yeah,
right?
man.
Oh, okay. I think understanding, like the person should understand my vision and should be as passionate as I am, and should believe in him or herself, like should believe in himself. That's important.
Okay.
And should love himself, like वो सबसे important है.
3 words which describes Megha Bhatia.
Okay. So 3 words. Okay. I think I'm compassionate. Uh, Voice, because I believe in raising my voice for all the issues, and connection. I feel like I can connect with people, and I love to connect with people. So yes, voice, connection, and
If you could win an Olympic medal for any sport, real or fake, what would it be?
sports. Okay, I'm very bad at sports. Maybe gymnastic or badminton, but I don't know how to like. I just know how to play badminton, but Olympics level का बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
Okay. If you didn't have to sleep, what would you do with the extra time you have?
Wow. I would love to travel. मुझे travel करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So maybe मैं travel कर रही होती अलग-अलग जगह पे.
Okay. One life learning for all of my listeners.
One what?
One life learning for all of my listeners.
Life learning. I think just believe in yourself. हम बहुत बारी अपने आप को underestimate करते हैं कि हमसे चीजें नहीं होंगी, मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा. Get out of that clutter right now. Believe in yourself, and you're very important. अपने आप को underestimate मत करो, and don't just get stuck to limited beliefs of the world कि तुम्हारे बाल ऐसे है, तुम्हारा फेस ऐसा है, या फिर आपका स्किन कलर ऐसे है. लोग हमें बहुत ज्यादा नोशंस में फिट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. Just don't believe them. You know your reality, and believe in yourself. That's the most powerful thing that you can do.
Thank you, Megha, for being here, and it was really deep. And I had a great time speaking with you on the self-love journey, because I've never talked about this topic, not to my own self even, but yeah, I do practice self-love things.
But it was a
Hmm.
great session for all of the listeners. I think it is going to help a lot of people, and it is going to add
Yes.
value to me and to a lot of people's life. It was a very deep conversation with you. I had fun time. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It was wonderful to be here, and all the best for wonderful work you're doing.
Thank you, and I will be adding all of your social media handles on the description box below. So they may reach out to you for
Great.
the self love thing.